In this guide, I will show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to JumpTask. So friends, log in your MetaMask account with your all information here, and then also log in your JumpTask information, and then scroll down, click connect your wallet, and then choose this option, connect with a wallet. From here, choose a MetaMask. So friends, from here you should be copy link or QR codes from this browse, go to get it, this option, and then click websites. After that, you will redirect it to MetaMask. Choose the website here. In this case, I have a website, and then click view MetaMask web. After that, guys, you will see MetaMask portfolio here, and click accept and select it. So guys, and then click connect your MetaMask, and then complete the steps to connection from here. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give me share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question.